Ignite. The track will be released on the Japanese Autographic Music. You're almost at the end of this edition of A State of Trance. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget, in a few weeks we celebrate episode 500. If you want to know all the information, where to get tickets and about the lineups, go now to astateoftrance.com. Also, I'd love to know what your favorite all-time A State of Trance track is. So name me one track that was your favorite of all these State of Trance episodes and that really defines the sound of this radio show for you. Send me an email, armin@astateoftrance.com. We end the show every week with the State of Trance Radio Classics. You can use the same email address to email me your suggestions for a classic at the end of the show. This week the classic was suggested by Wesley Smith from Wollongong, Australia. My remix was Mushroom Therapy by Mark Olsen. Speak to you next week.